20. Charge of Light Brigade, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. About the poet, Alfred Lord Tennyson was born in 1809 and died in 1892. He was the poet laureate after Wordsworth during the Victorian period. Victoria considered him the perfect poet of love and loss, inspired the pre-Raphaelites. T.S. Eliot called him poet of metric and melancholia. Friendship with Arthur Hallam. Due to family background, certain themes recur: madness, murder, avarice, miserliness, social climbing, marriages arranged for profit instead of love, estrangement between families and friends. Background of the poem. The poem is set during the Crimean War. The British forces were fighting Russian forces. It is about a military disaster in which hundreds of British soldiers died. Stanza 1. 600 men charge on horseback into valley surrounding by enemy soldiers. They follow the orders to charge into battle, capture enemy's gun. Stanza 2. The men don't show their fear or dismay, even though they know orders were mistake. This is because it is not their job to question or make decisions. It is their duty to obey orders. So, the 600 soldiers ride into the valley of enemy. Stanza 3. We are told that the soldiers are surrounded by the enemy's cannons. The enemy shoot at the soldiers, but the soldiers continue or ride bravely even though they know they are riding into almost certain death. Stanza 4. The British soldiers don't have guns and cannons to fight back with. Instead, they fight against the Russian guns with sword. People around the world were amazed at the bravery of soldiers. The soldiers retreat, but there are no longer 600 men, as many have been killed. Stanza 5. The soldiers retreat, but they are still surrounded by the enemy who continue to fire their cannons at them. Many more lives are lost. The few surviving soldiers ride back to safety. Stanza 6. The narrator rhetorically asks, when can their glory fade? Suggesting it never will. The narrator commands the reader to honor the soldier's sacrifice. MCQs. Who wrote Charge of Light Brigade? Wordsworth, Keats, Shelley, Tennyson. Answer is Lord Tennyson. Second one, where was the Light Brigade heading? Valley of Death, the Valley of Death, the Valley of Danger, the Valley of Death. Answer is the Valley of Death. Third one, how many soldiers were there in the Light Brigade? 6 soldiers, 60 soldiers, 600 soldiers, 6,000 soldiers. Answer is 600 soldiers. What was the mode of transportation used by the soldiers in the Light Brigade? On foot, horses, tanks, hydroplanes. Answer is horses. Thank you.